Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 15th, 2021. This is going to be our REN crypto price prediction. We want to know if REN is underrated and actually is it waiting to boom up in price? We're going to talk about that today on this video. Now, before I get started into all that, before I go over our last price prediction that we did in REN, make sure you all tap in with me. Join the team. Join this fantastic family, because what we do here is we win. We dominate the cryptocurrency space. We make sure we grab the bag. We make sure we make profitability in the market without being confused. So the doors are open. You guys can join me right now to learn more, or at least be notified whenever we upload our videos to this platform. So hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. You don't need anything else. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it honest. You do not need anything else outside of a price chart. The only thing you need to be worried about is the price bars and volume. Everything else is irrelevant. Everything else is irrelevant. The price chart is the battleground between everyone's thoughts. Everyone who has a bias of whether or not price is going to go up, or they have a bias as to whether or not price is going to go down, is already here on the chart. So all we have to do as investors, as traders, is come back, look at the price chart and see what the overall sentiment is. Like, what is the majority of the market feeling? So we can actually dictate or kind of see where the price is going to go. So make sure you tap in with me if you guys want to learn more. So look at this. We've even did a price prediction in REN right there on, you guessed it, September 24, 2021. You guys can go back and listen to the video right now. It is in our REN playlist. We're not hiding anything from you all. We are literally in position capitalizing on these prices. So check it out. We played a strength into the market in REN right there on September the 29th, or the 24th, excuse me. We did. We told you all to be prepared for this price in REN to go up, and it has exceeded our expectations massively. Take a look at this. Right? Our ultimate TP price was right there around $1.10, right? Was it not? Yeah. 15.3%. Now the market in REN actually came up here to our restriction line of around $1.20. Cool. That's around 26% profitability. So from September the 24th all the way until October the 2nd was when we got that ultimate TP out the market. It was where we beat the trap at its own game. We met him at $1.20 or even $1.09, $1.10. So pretty good call. Now that's over. That is done. We need to get back in position to make sure that we are anticipating the correct price movement and that we understand where the price is going to go. So let me get rid of this. Okay. And now you guys can tell REN ultimately got rejected at $1.30. So for us, in order for us to clean up our chart, we got a little bit more information that we can digest now. We need to move this restriction line up there. Right? That's the ultimate spot that REN got rejected. Now I'm still seeing $1.20 as restriction though. That is still an area that we need to be on guard for. In REN, we do. Okay. And I'm going to lower our overall trend in this space in REN. So look at this. This is our area of concern right here. We know if we're not able to break $1.30 to the upside, that the market in REN is going to come back down. We also know that as long as this price in REN is trading above this ascending line, we are going to go up in price. So this is the battleground right here between everyone's expectations. Right here, literally. So as we go throughout the rest of October and November, we need to keep our eyes focused on this price range between $1.30 and this ascending line, which is around like 90 cents. Understandably. And as the market goes in either direction, up or down, we already know what the expectations should be. Let me give you an example. So if the market price in REN comes down to this ascending line around 90 cents, the expectation for us to see a continuation to move higher would be for us to see strength. Same thing if the market in REN goes up to $1.30. If we see the market price in REN hit $1.30 and we see weakness, then our expectation will be for the price to do what? Exactly, come back down. This stuff is easy and it's not hard. So let me get rid of this, and we're going to look at a different time frame to see what we actually getting, to see what direction the price in REN is trying to go, right? So this is the 3-day time frame. Okay, every price bar we see is literally 3 days worth of trading. And currently, on this current 3-day price bar, yeah, we saw some weakness come into the market the last 3 days. But as you can tell, we are actually seeing that the demand, the interest is still appearing in the market in REN. So this market is not extremely weak, even though the last 4 3-day price bars price has been going down. It's not extremely weak, but there are sellers here in the space, right? What about 2-day time frame? Right? Are you noticing anything that would give us a leg up as to where we think the price is going to go? Right? Do you think the market is going to continue to go up? Do you think the market is going to continue to go down? What is your expectations? Is there anything glaring that you're noticing on a chart that will substantiate that the price is going to go up or down? This is what we're doing when we're looking at these different time frames, right? Because yes, we're still seeing the entrance of higher prices in REN, but I want to show you all this. Like this area here is also a place of contention in the market in REN. Like we can actually see the price come back up to around $1.12, $1.13 and get rejected and come all the way back down again, right? We can see that. I don't want us to think that we're in a clear market to just see the market sell up higher and higher prices. No, we also need to see the pitfalls, the traps that's going to trick us into thinking that, yeah, the market looks like it's going to go up, but then ultimately it comes back down, right? This is it on a 2 weeks time frame. What about on the 3 weeks? Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Maybe we get a little bit more information here on the hourly time frame in REN. Do you see anything here? What about on the 9-hour chart? Are you noticing anything here? 5 hours. Do you see this market in REN trying to boom? Are you seeing it trying to go up in price? Or maybe you don't see anything, right? There's still opportunities that there might not be a play here. And this is something that I want everyone who is in our particular subscribership to understand, is that every market is not playable. At times you get a market that's going to be visually, you can actually tell, okay, I got a pretty good idea where the market's going to go. And then there's other times where you just don't see anything and you just simply wait until the market gives you more information, right? Because we can still see this price in REN come all the way back down to 90 cents and we continue to gyrate up higher and higher in price. So the question is, do you see a play here? Because currently it could go either way. I'm gonna keep it real. I really don't see a big opportunity for the market to continue to shoot up in price. I don't see a big opportunity for the market to go down in price neither. And when you get those type of mixed signals, you don't need to rush in. You don't need to be rushed. You don't need to come in and say, okay, yeah, I'm getting confused. I'm getting mixed bags. On certain time frames, I'm seeing strength. On other time frames, I'm getting weakness. The market is literally confused as to what it's trying to do, right? So I think on this particular video, right, can we actually dispel the question, is REN underrated? Just look at the price chart. Do you guys think the price is underrated? And do you think it's underrated and waiting to move up higher in price? Or do you think it is overrated and it needs to come down? Because this is all the history in REN so far on this Binance exchange. And look at where we're trading. We're trading around pretty much close to all-time highs. Now, all-time highs was up there at $1.80, but look at where the majority of the prices has occurred in REN. So do you think that it is underrated or overrated, right? We're trading all the way up here. Could we be overrated? And should price come back down? Well, do you think it's underrated? And should price go back up? I need your help, because I'm not going to put a price prediction on this market right here. Nope. I thought I was going to do one. I know the title reads the REN crypto price prediction, but my prediction is to wait. I'm predicting that the market could go either way right now. That is my prediction. And when I get those type of predictions, I don't place predictions on a chart because the market is too foggy. It hasn't decided, okay, I want to go back up in price or I want to go back down in price. So I want to know, since that is my price prediction, it's to not put on one. Give me yours. I mean, help out everyone else in our community. Drop the comment right now in the comment section and tell me, what are you seeing on the price chart in REN? What is your price prediction? Seriously. If I don't have one, you should. If you see a play, if you don't, if you're in the same camp as me, let me know that as well. It's all good. We'll come back in once the market gives us more information in regards to what it wants to do. We'll come back in and then do a price prediction, right? We'll be here. Just don't see nothing right now. All right, so let me know. Make sure you always maintain a profitability, and I'll see you again on the next video. Make sure you all trade different.